If you love salmon as much as I do, then you're going to love this recipe for maple pepper salmon. And it's really easy to make. So first I got a Ziploc bag, and I'm going to pour in about half a cup of low sodium soy sauce, along with a quarter cup of maple syrup. Now it's real maple syrup, don't use the fake stuff. Got 2 beautiful salmon fillets, and I'll put those in the bag. The skin's still on, and I'm going to let them marinate for 4 hours. I'm going to lightly spray the bottom of a glass baking dish with some cooking spray, and then I will remove the salmon from the marinade bag, place them skin side down, and then cover them completely with freshly ground black pepper. Then cover the dish with aluminum foil and bake it for about 15 minutes in a 350 oven, and then uncover it and bake it another 5 minutes. Now my salmon is cooked perfectly, and you'll find that when you remove it from the pan, the skin just comes right off. You're going to love it. It's so easy. And the flavor is fantastic because you get sweetness from the maple syrup, saltiness from the soy, and the spiciness of the cracked black pepper. It's just wonderful. What I'll do is I'll now garnish with a slice of lemon. Cut that in half and give it a nice little twist. And then I'm planning to serve a nice Pinot Grigio, nice and fresh and cold. It's going to be a beautiful crisp wine with this salmon, and I hope you'll write for the recipe. You can get it by writing to me here at the station, or log on to the website and click over to the Kitchen Guy page. I'm Chef Jim. Thanks so much for watching Kitchen Guy, the tastiest 2 minutes in television. Enjoy your maple pepper salmon, and I'll see you next time.